question 15, we have to find and count the number of items with a wholesale price of more than $500 supplied by ID4 supplier. So in this cell we're going to do equals count if and S. And the first criteria range we're looking for is the supplier code. Excuse me. So if we go to our other sheet, highlight supplier code, comma, and you'll notice up here now it wants the criteria, so it wants to know which supplier to look for, and we want ID4, comma. The second range is going to be the prices. So if we go back and we highlight all the prices, comma, and the criteria we're looking for now is anything greater than 500. And you remember you need talking marks for this. And enter. So we find that this supplier has 4 garments above $500.